On this channel, we provide useful programming information with practical code examples. This time, we will discuss lists and Sass. We will cover the basics and advanced usages of Sass lists and provide practical examples. Enabling subtitles will make the code descriptions easier to understand. Sass offers useful programming-like features as an extension to CSS. Among these, lists are a very useful feature when defining styles dynamically. A Sass list is a collection of values separated by commas, or spaces. They are used when passing multiple values to CSS properties or performing iterations. Main features of lists include the following points. A list can contain values of any data type, such as numbers, strings, or colors. You can choose between comma-separated and space-separated lists depending on the use case. Below is an example of dynamically generating simple border styles using lists. When you convert the Sass file to CSS, it will look like this. With the nth function of the Sass list module, you can retrieve a specific value from a list. The Sass list module provides functions for manipulating lists, making it easy to retrieve and add elements. Nth is a function that retrieves an element from a list. In this code, the nth function is used to get the value at the specified index. Index is a function that returns the position of an element in a list. In this code, index is used to obtain that the element blue is the third item in the list. Length is a function that returns the length of a list. In this code, the length function is used to get the number of values in the list. Append is a function used to add elements to a list. In this code, the append function is used to add a value to the list. setNth is a function that replaces the element at a specified position with another value. In this code, setNth is used to replace the second element with yellow. Join is a function that combines two lists. In this code, join is used to combine two lists into one. Zip is a function that groups several lists element by element. In this code, zip is used to combine names and ages as pairs. Lists can also be nested, allowing them to be used like two-dimensional arrays. By handling such complex data structures, advanced style generation becomes possible. Here is an example of efficiently generating gradients using lists. When you convert the SAS file to CSS, it will look like this. This code is an example of automatically generating gradients using lists in SCSS. The colors used for the gradient are defined in the $colors list. In the gradient function, a position is calculated and assigned evenly to each color based on the number of colors, creating a list for the gradient. In the background class, linear gradient is used to combine the generated color list and apply a horizontal gradient. Since the positions are automatically calculated according to the length of the color list, you can easily create an even gradient by adding or changing colors. List separator type. Comma-separated and space-separated lists are treated differently, so you need to choose appropriately according to the situation. List size. When manipulating lists dynamically, it is safe to check the size using the length function. Managing nested lists. When handling nested lists, careful index operations can help avoid errors. SAS lists are a powerful tool for dynamically defining styles and efficiently managing complex designs. The source code for this video can be downloaded from the official website. If you like, please visit the URL in the description to aid your learning. Thank you for watching. This channel provides practical and useful information about programming. Subscribe to the channel and let's deepen our programming skills together.